In the current age of advanced digital internet technologies and Industrial 4.0, the pace of manufacturing innovation and revolution is increasing faster than ever. Smart sensing, pinpoint accuracy, and real-time information are now the key to intelligence computing and operations analysis. FineTek's innovative intelligent sensor technology parallels that of the industry's central network. A complete solutions provider of comprehensive sensor automation for all customers. The key to global sensing. FineTek. FineTek is well known for its constant breakthroughs and limitless innovation. We continue to grow and expand rapidly and have become Asia's first industrial sensor design and manufacturing company to launch an IPO. Committed to production automation and high-precision sensors, bulks and solid process monitoring, flow meter, wireless control system, and system integration services. FineTek's marketing and service locations can be found throughout the world. Through R&D innovation, FineTek has been established as the market leader committed in developing high-quality sensors and automation systems. Combining innovative technology, abundant experience in many key industries, establishment of industrial standards, and constantly listening to customer requirements, we are able to provide customers with the best solutions to their needs. Superior quality, superb workmanship is our eternal commitment. In order to meet the needs of different customers, we have done thorough research and developed production equipment in line with international standards to produce highly reliable and stable products. FineTek utilizes the latest management and production models to achieve flexible processes and solid production capabilities. Regardless of the size, diversity, or complexity of customers' orders, FineTek is able to swiftly and accurately meet all their demands. FineTek has over 100 certified products designed in accordance with IEC international standards. Our products are able to meet the demands of a wide variety of processes, from standard to complex customizable specifications, using both simple and advanced technologies. From a single sensor to a complete sensing system solution, FineTek can truly fulfill all our cherished customers' needs. As we proactively expand in the global market, FineTek remains fully committed to providing our customers complete service and product satisfaction. We have consistently earned customer praise and trust globally through our offer of a complete solutions one-stop shopping service and excellent real-time technical support. In order to cultivate talent and foster insight and vision for the future, the company regularly organizes activities for its employees. These activities also help stimulate team cohesion and build social and environment awareness. In the age of IT and Industrial 4.0, the application of sensor system and technology will become increasingly complex and innovative. FineTek will continue to develop, working together with customers to create a better future for tomorrow. The key to global sensing. FineTek.